Welcome to alltechqueries, a solution for all your technical queries.
In this video, we will discuss what is IP address, what is IPv4, what is IPv6, difference between IPv4 and IPv6, and what is NAT. We will also answer the most asked questions like how to find the IP address, and can we change our IP address? What is IP address? IP address full form is Internet Protocol Address. It is the unique identification number of your device on the Internet. It is similar to your home address. Every user will have a different IP address so that the data is reached at the correct destination. Difference between IPv4 versus IPv6. What is IPv4? IPv4 is Internet Protocol version 4. It is a 32-bit protocol that generates IP addresses. It has 4 sections with numbers from 0 to 255. Example of IPv4, A, B, C, D. Here A, B, C, and D are sections that can have a number between 0 to 255. This is what IPv4 addresses look like. The computer cannot understand the user language, so the IP address is converted into binary language. Therefore, the address in binary is represented like this. As we mentioned earlier, the IPv4 address consists of 4 numbers separated with a dot. Hence, the complete address is represented with 32 ones and zeros. As IPv4 runs on a 32-bit based addressing scheme, it can generate only 4 billion addresses. When IPv4 was introduced, they didn't think the Internet would be used by so many users that 4 billion IP addresses wouldn't be enough. Therefore, the advanced version IPv6 was introduced. What is IPv6? IPv6 runs on a 128-bit addressing scheme that can generate 10 times more addresses than IPv4. IPv6 address looks something like this. By using IPv6, every user on the Internet and every device connected to the Internet would have a unique identification number. However, we still use IPv4 because the ISP, routers, websites, hosting services are not yet compatible with IPv6. Moreover, IPv6 not only generates more IP addresses but also improves Internet performance. We are slowly moving towards IPv6 address. So, the major difference between IPv4 versus IPv6 is the number of unique addresses they can generate. You might be wondering, if we are still using IPv4, and there are over 4 billion Internet users, then how are new IP addresses generated for new Internet users? It is done by using NAT technology, Network Address Translation. What is NAT? If you notice, the IP address on all your devices will be the same. Basically, the Internet Service Provider has the original IPv4 address, and they use several different IP addresses under the original IP address. Therefore, when you search for your IP address on the Internet, you will find details and location of your Internet Service Provider. How to find IP address? You can go to this website to find your IP address. Can we change our IP address? It is not possible to change your IP address permanently, but you can change or disguise it temporarily using VPN software or proxy. The Internet Protocol Address, IP address, is basically your address on the Internet. You can change it temporarily using a VPN service or by setting up a proxy, but it is not possible to change it permanently.
If the video was helpful, like our video, And subscribe to our channel All Tech Queries, for more tech-related, informative videos, and how-to tutorials. Follow us on other platforms as well. Links in description. Thank you.